Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use a stud finder. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now let's get this out of the way right away. There are many different stud finders that you can use. Tons! Like hundreds, if not thousands of different ones. But they all work in a very similar way. They sense the density behind the wall, and that allows them to know where the studs are. Now, there are complex stud finders that you can choose between metal studs and wooden studs and this and that, but I'm just going to demonstrate with a basic stud finder like this. It's simply one that you put on the wall, you have to calibrate it once in a while, and you hold the button down, and it finds the stud for you. Very easy. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have my pen over here, okay, we are going to locate the stud, one of the studs at least, on this wall. We're going to place some marks on the wall, okay, and this actually tells you where the edge is. So most stud finders will tell you, where the edge of the stud is, so you want to find the edge on either side. Okay, because most of the time studs are going to be the same thickness, but it's not always the case. You want to find both edges, place marks on both sides, on either edge, and you know exactly where the stud is. So, like I said, very simple stud finder. I'm going to start on the right side, and I'm going to work my way towards here, okay? And then we're going to place a mark. So, with my stud finder, place it against the wall, holding the button down, slowly sliding it. Okay, so there's an edge right there. Very simple. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep going one more time, okay? Place it against the wall, just like that. Make sure the wall is clear of any, like I have some cobwebs here. I'm going to clear them off like that, some old cobwebs on the wall, old dust. Hold the button down, slide it till you find your edge. Okay, so what that meant in this stud finder, when it was doing that, was that I needed to try again or calibrate it. Now I just used it, so I know I don't have to calibrate it. We're going to try again. I'll go a little bit further up over here. From here, we're going to try. I'm just holding the button down, sliding it slowly. Okay? Bingo! Right there. Place a line right there. Now, if you'll notice, I actually just found the stud before, and it was the same line right there. Same spot. So I know that this is accurate. We're going to go from the other side right now. Okay? Holding the button down, slowly sliding it, just like that. Bingo! Just like that. Okay? So once again, literally, if you look at the marks that I just made right here, okay? I'm going to place an X in those marks right there. I just made two marks. When I used this stud finder about a couple hours ago, I had the exact same marks, okay? Literally, these are my old marks right here. These are my new marks. So I know here I have a stud. Yes, I am drawing on my garage wall just like that because I'm going to place something there anyways. That's why I'm looking for the studs. So how to use a stud finder is simple. You want to figure out like which button and what to do with it with regards to getting it set up. Once you have it set up, you either turn it on or hold down the button, and you want to slowly slide it along. Now, I'm not pushing the button now, that's why it's not beeping. You want to slowly slide it along, okay? And some of the stud finders will tell you how much closer you're getting, like they'll get closer, closer, closer to the center point of the stud. That's fine. This one senses the edges, okay? Just for clarification, this one, if you look on it, it says zircon, and it says stud sensor edge, okay? Just so we know which one I'm using. You want to move it slowly. If you go like this, it's not going to find the stud. These things are there to help you, and they work, but you gotta work with the technology that you have. You gotta go slowly. Don't tilt it on an angle because you're going to throw it off. So keep it nice and at the same angle like that. Move it slowly until you get your sensor for the edge or the center of the stud, depending. Sorry about the poor lighting, by the way. This is the only thing I can make happen right now. I have some bright light shining on me. It's the only way I can get it to work. Once you've done that, as an added just verification, what you want to do is just use your knuckle and just knock on the wall. You're going to hear a difference where the stud is. Now, remember, I already checked for the stud twice, and it gave me the same location. So I already know that's where the stud is, but with your finger on the wall, you'll be able to hear. Bingo, just like that, okay? You'll be able to hear that it gets much more dense right here, okay? Very, very, very simple. And that's basically it. Now also, as an added verification even above that, you know, most studs are going to be sort of spaced out 16 inches on center. So you know, you might, like if I look right here, I can tell this is probably already about 16 inches from where the stud would be over there, right? So it makes sense that this is where the stud is gonna be from this corner of the wall. But that's just, these are all just added things that you can do because you don't want to drill into the wall, then realize there's not a stud there, and then you gotta patch it up. You wanna be sure there's a stud there, and then it just makes it much easier. But that's it. That is essentially how to use a stud finder. You can also use it like beep, 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 beep. There's a stud right here. That's a dad joke, I know. Okay, anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.